Today I've got something I've been wanting for a while, ever since I saw it released at CES earlier this month, and I finally got my hands on it now. It is the Dell XPS 13 2018. So here's the unboxing. Came in the box. It's a box in a box kind of situation. I know that. I already started opening it because I got too excited, but then I thought I'd hold off and do an unboxing. Ooh, this is a small box. Let me just still. Here is power plug and actual charging brick. What I'm excited about for this one is that the charging brick is USB-C powered, and it's small. Look at that. Not that big at all. So that's exciting. Takes up less room in the bag. Plus I have a MacBook that I use as my other computer. That's USB-C as well. So now it's like one charger or one set of cables for all my computers, which I'm very excited about. All right. Next, let's get to the box itself. Slides right open. Ooh, I got the regular silver version. It was white and rose gold was your only like color tone options. Other people have said that the rose gold isn't as rose as it is just gold. I don't know why they didn't just make a gold version. I would have gotten that one. But here it is. I've got the silver and black. Got some paper. 100% recycled plastics. 25% from ocean. That's interesting. That's nice. Like to see that. Here we go. This is nice, very thin. I've had two other XPSs before. We had the first XPS 15 that came out, bought one of those for the office, and then another one the following year. I think there was just a processor upgrade. I've been loving the line. I love kind of the Infinity Edge. And then with the 13, I thought I'd give the 13 a try. I've been trying to live off just my MacBook, like a regular MacBook. I do have it spec'd up a little bit in terms of RAM. But more of as an experiment. Can a Mac survive in litigation technology world? I have a trial coming up in a couple months. Big client, big trial. I don't think I could show up with just a MacBook, so I had to get another laptop. So that's what this is. On the sides, we've got two USB-C ports. We've got headphone jack, USB-C, and micro SD card. I haven't seen a micro SD card on a computer, not that I've owned ever. An interesting choice. I don't know why they didn't just go with a full SD card slot, because then you can always put a micro SD adapter in there. You can't adapt a micro SD card slot to fit SD card. Get this thing opened up here. This is nice. On the previous ones that I had, I felt like the screen was indented or like set in to the top here where the monitor is. But this one, it just seems like it's a little bit more flush, a little bit more kind of Macbook-like. So that's nice. Power button to turn it on. I don't know if this has any charge in it. It's powering on. The keys feel really good. Now I think that you can power this thing on any of the USB-C ports, which is nice, and it's nice that there's more than one compared to the MacBook. Makes it a lot more usable. Trackpad, it's a little bit smaller than the XPS 15, but it feels really good. Same feel. The carbon fiber on the inside also feels really nice, nice to the hand. So that's a good one. I like this. The keyboard feels definitely different than the XPS 15, but I think in a good way. It feels a little bit softer, much quieter than I remember, and definitely quieter than the MacBook that I'm usually on. That is like the loudest keyboard. It's obnoxiously, annoyingly loud. But this is really nice. So I'm going to get this, doing the whole Windows startup thing.
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
No, thank you. But this will be a machine that I take with me to trial. I'll be using Trial Director on it, PowerPoint, also getting Photoshop, Illustrator, and Premiere Pro on it as well for some video editing. And then also just the usual suite of stuff that we normally put on all our trial laptops: Handbrake, VLC, Onus X, Diacom viewer, basic stuff like that. I am very excited to start using this laptop and gonna get it set up. I mean, it's still very heavy, feels thinner than the XPS 15 and the XPS 13s did, but ultimately really nice. Yeah, I like what Dell is doing. Not a huge revolutionary change, but thinner, lighter, more potent. So I like that. If you have any questions about this laptop or have any feedback on it yourself, feel free to leave it in the comments. I'd love to talk to you there.